Hi everyone, this is Arjun from TechPrice, and in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Amazon Echo Dot. This is the third generation of Echo Dot. So without any ado, let's get started. So this is the packaging itself. We can see the Amazon branding on the top. The Echo Dot is written on the sides and we can see the image of Echo Dot itself. I have opted for the grey one. This is a far-field voice control device and it supports Prime Music, Philips Hue and plethora of other smart devices, so that's also nice. The pricing of this device is 4,999 rupees, but I get it for 3,000 rupees on Great Indian Festival. And it has built-in Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and we can also connect it through aux cable, so connectivity is not a problem. So that's nice for this price point. Opening the box, the first thing we got is the Amazon Echo Dot itself. So my first impression, the device is nice and premium. So let me keep this aside and see what else comes in the box. We can see the Amazon logo on the top. We have some user manuals and warranty cards. Let me keep this aside. So this is the Echo Dot instructions that we can try using the Echo Dot, like changing the music, weather info, setting alarm, etc. That's nice. We have the user manual for setting up the device and also the safety and warranty papers. Now let's see what other things comes inside the box. There is a 16-volt power adapter, so that's nice, and the build quality is good. One thing you have to note is that this is not a micro USB cable like the second generation Echo Dot, it's a normal proprietary charge. Now let's look at the Echo Dot itself. The build quality is way more superior than the second generation Echo Dot. Let me take out the protective cover and see how well it is made. Actually, I am very much impressed with the build quality. The speakers are now on the surroundings, which will give you a 360 degree of audio range. We have the buttons and the microphones on the top. That's nice. The bottom part is made of rubber, so it will give you a nice grip. And on the sides we can see two ports. One is for the aux and another one is for the power. So friends, for size comparison, this is the Echo Dot and it's my wireless fast charger from Samsung along with the Logitech Bluetooth speaker. The model number is X50. This will give you an idea about the size and compatibility of the device. Actually, the Echo Dot is similar in size of my Logitech X50, so that's nice. Now let's connect the Echo Dot with the power cable and configure it. As you can see, it is switched on. We can see light is glowing around the Echo Dot. So it is configuring. So let's skip this part and see right back after the configuration is completed. So friends, I have set the Echo Dot. Now let's try some commands and see how it performs. Alexa, what's the time now?
It's 9:11 p.m.
Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Currently, in Palakkad it's 25 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. You can expect more of the same tonight, with a low of 22 degrees.
See friends, it is doing the casual task well. Now let's try some other commands and see how well the audio output will be. As I told you earlier, the speakers have been improved a lot, so let's try.
Alexa, play Despacito.
Here's Despacito Remix by Luis Fonsi and Daddy Yankee on Amazon Music.
Stop.
Well, I'm very much impressed with the new Echo Dot, and the speaker output is excellent, I would say, when compared to the second generation. This Echo Dot also supports smart home devices, so let's try with my TP-Link smart LED bulb.
Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, decrease the brightness to 10%.
Okay.
So friends, as you can see, it is doing the job pretty fine, and I am very much impressed and satisfied with the purchase, since this is my first voice control device. And if you are planning to buy a voice control device, I would definitely suggest you to buy this. So that's it. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be posting an in-depth review of the Echo Dot after using it for a couple of weeks. Stay tuned for that.
So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Arjun signing off, and have a great day.